Good day, I'm Stacey Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Friday, November 28. 50 projects have been approved since government's national cleanup campaign began in October to reduce the spread of the chikungunya virus across the island. 39 projects from members of parliament and 11 from the parish councils have been given the go-ahead by the approvals subcommittee overseeing the program. At Wednesday's Jamaica House media briefing, logistics coordinator for the campaign, Colonel Daniel Price, said several communities in Western Jamaica and the Kingston metropolitan region had been cleaned. Attention was also given to 27 communities in Portmore and other areas of St. Catherine.
Jamaicans are heeding the call to take personal responsibility for removing containers and clearing areas in which water settles and where mosquitoes can lay eggs and multiply.
The Students' Loan Bureau has received $250 million to boost its lending capacity. The money was presented in the form of a grant from the Ministry of Finance through the Heart Trust NTA.
This grant is to be used only to fund areas consistent with technical vocational education and training, as well as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics subjects.
And it is particularly significant because in the economy of the 21st century, and having regard to the particular challenges and opportunities of Jamaica, competencies, indeed more than competencies, expertise in STEM subjects and in technical and vocational arenas are most crucial.
Communities served by the Care Bear Early Childhood Institution at Whitfield Town in St. Andrew are to benefit from an $11 million expansion of the facilities. A contract was signed Wednesday between the Embassy of Japan and the institution. It will see to the construction of 3 additional classrooms, an office, kitchen and 2 bathrooms. Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller, who was present at the signing, threw out a challenge to the school and community.
Let me encourage the administrators of this institution to make the best use of the assistance by the Japanese. I want to encourage the community members as well to continue to protect and take care of Care Bear Early Childhood Institution. It is for the benefit of the community and the children of the community.
Even as the price of oil continues to fall, the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, is calling on Jamaicans to use energy wisely and efficiently throughout the Christmas season. PCJ Group Managing Director Winston Watson made the point for conservation at a recent JIS think tank.
What we're hoping is that as oil price comes down, we still maintain that drive for conservation and efficiency.
Mr. Watson said the PCJ would be stepping up its energy-saving campaign to promote awareness about the many products designed to reduce energy usage and cost. And finally, Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips will be leading a delegation to Chile to participate in a high-level conference being hosted by that country and the International Monetary Fund, IMF. The theme for the conference is Challenges for Securing Growth and Shared Prosperity in Latin America and the Caribbean.
To discuss with Latin America and Caribbean counterparts the short and long-term economic issues impacting the region.
The Finance Minister will be accompanied by the Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica, Colin Bullock, and Financial Secretary Devon Rowe. The delegation will leave the island on December 3 and return on December 8. The trip will cost $3.9 million. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Stacey Ann Smith. Thank you for watching.